Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have an opening from HP and IBM to discuss in this video. So it is applicable for wide range of batches. Like most of the comments we used to get, we are from another graduate than IT sector. Can we apply for that? And if we are from the diploma students, can we apply for that and everything? So let's see, we have job here in this video. So please do watch this video. And if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So while you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that all the videos, when you upload any kind of videos, you will be getting notified regarding the same. Okay, so let's move on to that. First, let me start with HP itself. So in here, HP is hiring for the technical support social media. Okay, the location is Bangalore. And coming to the responsibilities, you can see working from a standard protocol and utilizing documented processes to respond to customer issues. Some judgments may be used to supplement the outlined promises. Okay, successfully resolve simple to moderate technical issues, hardware or software, from incoming customer contacts and proactive notification system. Respond to surveys, product, technical, and customer relations questions on subjects such as features, specifications, and repairs on current and discontinued products, parts, and options based on customer entitlement. Being to proactively assist customers to avoid or reduce problem occurrence, working often reviewed by supervisor or the team lead. Okay, so these are the responsibilities that you will be performing there. So now education and experience, that is the required skills. Okay, so high school education or equivalent. To adequately perform the duties of the job, individuals must possess a minimum of 6 months to 1 year experience or equivalent college level education. That is, if you have the college level education for the above said responsibilities, then you are fit for the job. And if you are, as they have mentioned, high school education or equivalent, okay, diploma student, high school student, and if you have relevant experience like 6 months to 1 year of experience for the same, then you can try applying it here. Okay, so this is not for particularly for graduates or postgraduate, any kind of education with the ability to perform the above said responsibilities can take care of this job. Okay, now knowledge and skills is articulate and excellent written and verbal communication skills. Experience is customer facing role, either remote or face to face. Computer proficiency with applicable software applications, example, Microsoft, CAD, Adobe, Suite programming. That demonstrate problem solving skills, accuracy in data entry, excellent fluency in language to be supported, experience in a phone-based remote role, e-support, e-chat or similar, familiarity with computer technology. Desirable skills will be knowledgeable in call routine and case management process, as well as case logging systems and obligation systems. Okay, so this is about the role, and it's just been a while that this this role have been came up, so you can try applying it at the earliest. So to apply for that, click on this apply button and fill the form to continue the application. So to subscribe for the HP careers, you need to log in all days and choose your resume, everything, and you can continue with that, or else you can skip and continue. That's up to you. So if you are applying for anything, the only thing that you have to give is your personal information, your education details. Then work experience is also validated here, so you need to go for that work experience. If you have any kind of like knowledge, graduation knowledge, that would stand for this experience. So these criteria, fill it up, and you have options to fill, like you can fill with resume, you can apply manually, or you can either select LinkedIn kind of platforms to apply for the same. Okay, so after creating an account, then you can do these like operations that I've performed. If not, you can just log in. If you have already a login, like credentials, you can log in and do the same. Okay, now coming to the CTC provided, like it's completely depending upon the experience or the education that you're holding. So 3.2, like that 3.2 plus LPA is greater than that as the average fresher salary for this technical support role in HP, but it do differs because they have mentioned 6 months to 1 year experience criteria. So obviously what you got during that experience criteria, it will be greater than that. Okay, so this is a CTC package available as well. So next we have an opening from IBM to discuss. So before that, we have exciting news from our part. That is, we have crash course, which is about to start on 27th of November and the end date is on 11th of December. And the timing for this classes will be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And you will be getting the complete revision or the complete syllabus and the shorthand tricks, everything related to the previous 10-year question papers of TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, and Accenture. So if you just closely look at the pattern of the examination that they conduct, if you just got to understand the type of examination and the level, severity level, and the frequent questions that is coming up, then you are all ready to clear the session. I mean, clear the online assessment. Okay, so if you could do that, then you have almost done. So here you have an opportunity to revise the 10 years question paper regarding all these companies. So if you are very prepared with this session, then you can attend any of the these companies that you're dreaming for. Okay, so make sure you make use of this kind of opportunity, extend your learning, learn and then apply. Just don't randomly go and like attend online assessment, because that won't help. It will misuse, it will be a great misuse for your opportunity. Like you will not be able to apply it for another time, like another cycle, because there is some criteria like 3 months, 6 months criteria. So you will be missing that opportunity. Your career will be getting postponed. So make sure that you prepare well with any resource and apply it. Okay, so whole of this package is available to you at just rupees 199. It means it includes the videos, the documents, and the PDF materials, everything. You will have a live Q&A session where you can clear all your doubts. You can get answers to all your concerns and all. Okay, so the link will be there in the description. You can get it from there and register it at the earliest. So now let's move on to the other job available, that is from IBM. So IBM is hiring for the L1, L2 support engineer role. So here you can see the location available is Tamil Nadu and Chennai. City is Chennai, and it is hardware development and support category. So required education is bachelor's. And now let's move on to in detail. So required technical and professional expertise will be, it is an IT background degree, great communication, organizational skills, hardworking work and communication under pressure or client focus, user orientation to provide great support, collaborative approach, and ability to share with global team members, lessons learned and blogs. Good analytical skills, ability to learn fast the application logic and system functionalities, ability to translate user requirements based on tool capabilities, ability to drive and deliver E2 tasks, fluent in spoken and written, flexibility, time management, detail-oriented Excel, and advanced Excel. Okay, now we have another set too, that is potential to grow into more technical role, ticket management experience in ServiceNow, support experience, access management experience, no coding skills required, but nice to have SQL, DB2, JSON, Java, Agile methodology. Okay, so they have mentioned like it is very good to have the experience, but they haven't mentioned regarding this is like this much years of experience. It means that if you have a basic idea regarding the same, either you gain through the internship or working as a part of like a apprentice like that. If you earned knowledge regarding that, it's completely fine to apply it in here. They just want you to have a like base brief idea about what you'll be performing there, and remaining will be taught by the company. Okay, that's it. And if you have like and it's entry level jobs, if you have like few months of experience or 1 year of experience, 2 year of experience, then you can try applying it in here. Okay, so this is it. And they have mentioned like IT background degree. So it is like if you are any graduates which is specialized in computer science related branches, then you can try applying it in here. Okay, now coming to the year criteria, like which year they can apply it in here. So 2019, 20 and 21 students can apply it in here. Why 2022 is excluded is that they haven't passed out yet, and also they have mentioned like hands-on experience, like they should have some non like experience regarding the same. So maybe they may be doing their internship right now, so this experience criteria may not satisfy them. And if you are like having a base idea of experience in things, then you can apply that as well. Okay, so that's about the IBM. And also I missed to mention it in HP section 2, that is which batch criteria will go here. So they have mentioned 6 months to 1 year of a general experience in the same. So it can also be 2019, 20, and 21st. Okay, so this is the batches which can apply in here. So now here in IBM, to apply for the same, you can click apply now and continue with the application process. So if you want to like subscribe to the careers, you can go with that, or else you can no thanks and continue to apply. So meanwhile, we can discuss about the CTC details. So the starting CTC for the freshers that they offer is 4.5, 4.6 plus LPAs that they have mentioned experience. So how you gain that experience, it do completely differ from that, because it's an internship, then obviously CTC related to that, and if you have 1 year of experience, then related to that. Okay, so this is the salary, average salary available, like 4.5, 4.6 is the average level. So like for the freshers, obviously you can expect 4.2 plus LPAs. Okay, that's it. And to apply for that, you can, yes, continue with this link. So you need to log into the IBM careers. You need to upload your resume. You need to fill the form. Just give these skills that you're having. If you have any work experience, you can mention that as well. And that's how you are applying for this job. Okay. So one thing that I would like to mention in general is, if you're applying for any kind of the job, please have a look at the eligibility criteria and responsibilities. And if you get some follow back mail or something in interview, what they're making sure is are you justifying to the responsibility, like job responsibilities. So make you always keep in your head what is the job responsibility, then only you'll be able to answer them according to that, so they will feel like you are fit for this job. Okay, so that's all. If you're a fresher or any kind of experience like 0 years, 6 months, 4 months, whatever, then keep these points in mind. Okay, so that's all for today. So if you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.